Hey, thanks for stopping by to watch my quick video. My name is Isabella, and I have been in the marketing space for about 10 plus years. And I wanted to share a quick minute with you about persistence and give you 3 tips on how to keep going when the going gets tough. Some people will jump into an opportunity and take their time and analyze it and try it before they decide to quit. Persistence is continuing a course of action despite the difficulty. On the other hand, if you have some people who had take their time to jump into an opportunity, and the second there's opposition, they quit. If you're the first person, then I congratulate you on being a persistent person, and you will go far in life. If you're the second person, here are 3 tips to practice when you think you want to quit. Tip 1, realize how far you've come. Realize what you've learned so far. You are not the same person you were when you started. You are better. Tip 2, remember why you started. You wanted freedom from the 9 to 5, or you needed extra money so you can take vacations with your family. Always have your why right in front of your mind. Tip 3, make it a habit to move forward. Habits are formed by conscious, repeated behaviors, and when you practice it enough, they eventually take their place in the subconscious mind and guide your life. Don't you think it's about time to start taking the right actions? Start by not quitting on yourself and see how far you can go. In summary, you must persist and keep going in order for anything to grow. You must till the soil, protect the seed. You must water it and fertilize it, and it will reap an abundance for you. That goes for business, when losing weight, and of course, planting crops. It's how the world works. It's science. Thank you for watching, and there's a free gift for you in the link below or in the description just for spending some time with me. Once again, thank you and God bless. And don't forget, always wear comfortable shoes. Why? Because they make you happy.